Kelowna, a picturesque city in British Columbia, Canada, is known for its vibrant food truck scene. These mobile culinary delights offer a diverse range of mouth-watering dishes that cater to various tastes and preferences. Whether you're a local or a visitor exploring the area, here are the top 5 Kelowna food trucks that are guaranteed to satisfy your cravings. Surfside California Tacos. Surfside California Tacos is a food truck that brings the flavors of the West Coast to Kelowna. With a focus on fresh and locally sourced ingredients, they serve up a tantalizing array of tacos inspired by the vibrant street food culture of California. From classic favorites like grilled fish and carne asada to vegetarian options, their tacos are bursting with flavor and served with zesty salsas and homemade guacamole. Crasian Food Truck. If you're craving a fusion of Asian and Caribbean flavors, look no further than Crasian Food Truck. This innovative culinary venture combines the best of both worlds to create unique and delectable dishes. From their mouth-watering Korean bulgogi burritos to their Jamaican jerk chicken bao buns, every bite is an explosion of flavors. The Red Donkey Truck. The Red Donkey Truck is a beloved Kelowna food truck specializing in Greek cuisine. With a commitment to using locally sourced and sustainable ingredients, they serve up authentic Greek dishes that transport you to the Mediterranean. From traditional gyro wraps filled with tender meat and fresh tzatziki to flavorful souvlaki skewers and crispy spanakopita, their menu is a delightful blend of classic and contemporary Greek flavors. Yamato Asian Food Truck. Yamato Asian Food Truck is a popular destination for those seeking a taste of Asia in Kelowna. With a menu inspired by Japanese and Korean cuisine, they offer a wide selection of mouth-watering dishes. From their savory Japanese curry rice bowls to their flavorful Korean barbecue, every item on their menu is prepared with attention to detail and authentic flavors. The CR Asian Food Truck. For a unique twist on classic comfort food, the CR Asian Food Truck is a must-visit. This creative food truck combines the flavors of traditional Canadian cuisine with Asian influences, resulting in delightful and unexpected combinations. From their maple-glazed bacon poutine to their General Tso's chicken wings, each dish offers a playful and satisfying blend of flavors. These top 5 Kelowna food trucks are just a taste of the city's thriving culinary scene. From global flavors to local favorites, these mobile eateries continue to impress and satisfy locals and visitors alike. So, whether you're strolling along the lake or exploring the city's attractions, be sure to indulge in the culinary delights that these food trucks have to offer. Your taste buds will thank you.